Hey guys, we're gonna work on our roundhouse kicks today. Torio chuggy, okay? Just like the front kick and the side kick, we have a back leg roundhouse kick, we have a front leg roundhouse kick, and then we have a Idan Torio chuggy jumping roundhouse kick, okay? So just like the side kick, on the roundhouse kick, you have to pivot that foot. As you go to kick, this foot has to pivot. This knee comes up. That foot pivots. My hip has to turn over. A lot of times I see this. It's kind of like on an angle. No, you want to pivot, turn that hip over, and then roundhouse kick. Okay? So from here, hands up, you want to pivot, turn your shoulders, turn your waist, knee is up, and then from here, I can kick with the ball of my foot, or I can kick with the instep. Now, when should you kick with the ball? When should you kick with the instep? Okay? If I say, let's break a board, kick with the ball of the foot. If somebody's trying to hurt you and you want to protect yourself and you use a roundhouse kick to do it, use the ball of the foot. If you're sparring in class or if you're in a tournament, that's when I would do the instep, top part of that foot. Because what happens, if I pull my foot back to kick with the ball, I lose about 2 or 3 inches of distance. So I'm going to use this bag as an example. Okay, and I want to use my front leg since we're sparring, because we all know we want to use our front leg for sparring when we kick. So from here, if I pull my toes back and I use the ball of my foot, I can't touch my target, okay? If I extend my toes out and use the instep, now I get about 2 to 3 inches of distance, okay? And that'll make it a little bit, I don't want to say easier, but maybe a little more quicker for you to score a point, okay? So, hands up, pivot that foot, turn your shoulders, pick that knee up, roundhouse kick, land forward. That's the back leg round kick. Front leg round kick, just lift that front leg up. Remember what I said about this back leg. Don't keep it straight. Don't lift this leg up and lock that knee out, because now, see, I'm all balanced. This knee has to bend just a little bit. Keep this knee slightly bent. Front leg, round kick. And then we have Idan Torio chuggy, jumping roundhouse kick. If you remember the jumping front kick, it's the same thing, except now you have to turn your hip over and do a roundhouse kick. So when you do your jumping round kick, the back leg is going to thrust you up in the air, and the front leg is going to kick. Scissor action. 1, 2. Hands up. 1, 2. Okay, you gotta really make sure you turn that hip over for that roundhouse kick. 1, 2. Okay? Homework assignment for the roundhouse kick is like the others. Back leg, pivot, turn, round kick, land forward, 5 times each side. Front leg, just lift it up, round kick, 5 times each side, and then jumping roundhouse kick, 5 times each side. And again, parents, paper cups thrown up in the air, let your kids try to knock them down out of the air.